is also 2. So since number of rows of A is equal to number of columns of B equal to 2, therefore the product AB is possible. So the answer is yes. And now we will proceed to find out the product AB. Therefore, AB is equal to 3, 5, 4 minus 2 into 2, 4. Let us multiply these two matrices. How do you multiply these two matrices? Row wise. First row into first column. So if you see in the second matrix, you have only a single column. So first row, 3 into 2 plus 5 into 4. R1 into C1. You write it in the 1, 1 position. Okay. So this finishes R1 into C1. Next, we are going to multiply R2 into C2. So 4 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4. So we write it in the 2, 1 position because we are multiplying second row R2 with C1. So that is why we write in the 2, 1 position. So 4 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4. So you get the resulting matrix as 5 into 4, not 2 into 4. 3 into 2 plus 5 into 4. So this is 26 and this is 0. So what you see is that the resulting matrix has 2 rows and 1 column, which is obviously, isn't it? The resulting matrix should have been of order 2 by 1. So that is what we are getting. Okay, so that finishes this problem. Moving on to the next problem. The question here is, given the matrices A is equal to 2, 1, 4, 2, B is equal to 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, and given a third matrix C is equal to minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2, 3 matrices given. You need to find out the products. Find the products of number 1, ABC, and second, ACB, and state whether they are equal. Okay, so let us proceed to find out. So first of all, we see that ABC is equal to, you can take the product AB first and then multiply it with C. Okay, so let us first find out AB. So therefore AB is equal to 2, 1, 2. Obviously, you can find out AB. You don't need to see whether you can find out AB because all are square matrices of order 2. So how would you multiply these two matrices? Row wise you multiply. First row into first column. So just look at the first row and the first column. Corresponding elements you multiply. 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1.
Plus 1 into minus 1.
Next, first row into the second column. So write it in the 1, 2 position. 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 2. Next multiplication with the first row is done. Now we multiply with the second row. So second row into first column. So you write it in the 2, 1 position. So 4 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Next second row into second column. So write in the 2, 2 position. So 4 into 4 plus 2 into minus 2. Okay, so this is your resulting matrix. You get 5, you get 6, you get 10, and you get 12. This is AB. So now we want to find out ABC. So therefore, ABC is equal to AB into C. So AB here we found out 5, 6, 10, and 12 above. And the matrix C is given to us as minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2. Now we multiply these two matrices. Again, multiplying the first row with the first column. You get 5 into minus 3 plus 6 into 0. First row with the second column. 5 into 1 plus 6 into minus 2. So row 1 is done. Next we move on to row 2. So row 2 into column 1. 10 into minus 3 plus 12 into 0. Next row 2 into column 2. 10 into 1 plus 12 into minus 2. Okay, so this will give you minus 15, minus 7, minus 30, minus 14. Okay, so first part of the question is done. That is, we have found out ABC. Next, we will proceed to find out ACB. So we see that ACB is nothing but a product of AC taken with B. So we'll first find out AC. So therefore, AC is equal to, write down the matrix 2, 1, 4, 2 into the matrix C, minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2. Multiply these two matrices. How do you multiply? First row into first column. So 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 0. Next, first row into second column. So you get 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2. Next, second row into first column. 4 into minus 3 plus 2 into 0. Next, second row into second column. 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. Okay, so you get here the resulting matrix as minus 6, 0, minus 12, 0. So you got AC. Now we proceed to find out ACB. So therefore ACB is equal to AC into B. Minus 6, 0, minus 12, 0. This was AC we found out. And the matrix B here was 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so we proceed to multiply this. First row, first column, minus 6 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1. Next, first row with the second column, minus 6 into 4 plus 0 into minus 2. Next, second row with the first column, minus 12 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1. Second row with the second column. So minus 12 into 4 plus 0 into minus 2. So this is minus 18, minus 24, minus 36, minus 48. Okay. So now the question here is ABC equal to ACB? See, what have we got? ABC equal to this matrix, right? And ACB, we have got this equal to this matrix. So are these two matrices equal? No, obviously they are not equal. So here ABC is not equal to ACB. And that should be your answer. And that was the question initially. Yes, state whether they are equal. So ABC is not equal to ACB. Okay, that's it. Any confusion in matrix multiplication? Moving on to the next problem. The question here is evaluate 4 sin 30 2 cos 60 sin 90 into 2 cos 0. 4, 5, 5, 4. You need to evaluate this product. So let us evaluate here. So we have 4 sin 30 degree into 2 cos 60 degree sin 90 degree 2 cos 0 degree into the matrix 4, 5, 5, 4, which is equal to, put the values of sin 30. How much is sin 30? Half. Cos 60 is also half. Sin 90 is 1 and cos 0 is 1 into 4, 5, 5, 4. Now simplify the first matrix. This cancels here, so you get 2. This cancels here, so you get 1 here, and 2 into 1 is 2. So you're getting two matrices which you need to multiply. So multiply these two matrices. First row, first column, 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. First row, second column, 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4. Next, first row done, second row, first column, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. Second row, second column, 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4. Okay, so this is 13, 14, 14, and 13. This is the required product. Okay. Now I'm showing you matrix multiplication over and over again so that you are confident, you don't get confused with matrix multiplication. Please see matrix multiplication very carefully as I am multiplying. Otherwise, you will make mistakes later on. It may look easy, but you may commit very small errors. Question number 12. Question number 12 here is given A is equal to B is equal to and C is equal to these three matrices are given to you. Okay, and what you need to find out is, question is compute A into B plus C and second is B plus C into A. These two you want to compute. Let us start with the solution. First, for number one, let us first find out B plus C. B plus C is 2, 1, 4, 2 plus 5, 1, 7, 4. You add the two matrices. 2 plus 5, 1 plus 1, 4 plus 7, 2 plus 4. Just adding the corresponding elements. So you get 7, 2, 11, 6. That is what you get as B plus C. So therefore, what is A into B plus C? A here is 1, 2, 3, 4. And B plus C we have found above as 7, 2, 11, 6. So what should be the product? First row, first column. 1 into 7 plus 2 into 11. Next, first row, second column. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6. Next, second row, first column. So 3 into 7 plus 4 into 11. Second row, second column. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 6. So you get this as 29, 8, 65, 30. Okay, so A into B plus C is done. We shall now proceed to find out the second part, which is B plus C into A. So first let us find out B plus C. B plus C is equal to, the matrix B here is 2, 1, 4, 2. And the matrix C here is 5, 1, 7, 4. Add these two. You get 2 plus 5, 1 plus 1, 4 plus 7, and you get 2 plus 4. So the resulting matrix that you get here is 7, 2, 11, 6. Okay, so you get B plus C. Now you want to find out B plus C into A. Therefore, B plus C into A is, we have found out B plus C as 7, 2, 11, 6. And A here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the matrix. Okay, we need to multiply these two matrices. So again, first row into first column. 7 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Next, first row into second column. 7 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Second row, first column. So 11 into 1 plus 6 into 3. Second row, second column. 11 into 2 plus 6 into 4. Okay, so you get this as 13, 22, 29, 46. So that is how you find out. And these two were the products you were required to calculate. Okay. Any questions on multiplication? Next question is number 14. The question here is, let A is equal to 1021, and B is equal to 23 minus 10. Find A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, so let's start with the given matrices. Given here is A is equal to this. So what is A square? A square is A into A. 1, 0, 2, 1 into 1, 0, 2, 1. Multiply these two matrices. First row, first column. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2. Next, first row, second column. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Second row, first column. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Second row, second column. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. You're getting A square as 1, and you're getting here 0, getting here 4, and you're getting here 1. This is A square. Similarly, we compute B square. B square. Let us find out AB first, then we'll find out B square. AB is equal to, A is given to be 1021, and the matrix B here is given to be 2, 3 minus 1, 0. Again, check the matrix multiplication here. First row, first column. So 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Next, first row, second column. So 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Okay. Now, second row, first column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Next, second row, second column. So 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Okay, so this resulting matrix that you get here, AB as 2, 3, 3, 6. This is AB. Now we proceed to find out B square. B square here is B into B, which is equal to multiply these two matrices. First row, first column, 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. First row, second column, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Next, second row, first column. So minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Next, second row, second column, minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. So you get the value of B square as 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3. So now we are in a position to find out A square plus AB plus B square. So therefore, A square plus AB plus B square is equal to, put the values we have found out. A square we found out to be 1041. AB we found out above to be 2336. And B square we found out above to be 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3. Add all these. You get 1 plus 2 plus 1. You get 0 plus 3 plus 6. You get 4 plus 3 minus 2, in fact plus of minus 2, and here you get 1 plus 6 plus minus 3. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 3 minus 2 is 7 minus 2, which is 5, and 7 minus 3 here is 4, and that is your answer. Clear? I'll stop here.